Good morning, everybody. I woke up with some allergies. I started getting allergies last night, and I slept through the night. And same thing this morning, man. I don't know, it just be getting me. But good morning, God bless. Today, I'm trying to. I'll show you guys. 7:22. I'm about to get to the customer's house, the tenant's house in 2 minutes. I'm trying to get on today because my wife, she has a closing. She's a real estate agent. She has a closing at 2, and I was trying to make it so I can go with her, but so far I got this call, I have another call, and I have a maintenance, and I think I have another call that's trying to get scheduled in between there. So that's what we got going on. So let's see what we find. We can go ahead and turn on that thermostat, okay, and then we'll see if it does what you were saying it was doing.
All right, turn it on.
Okay. Okay, so probably just got a bad cap. Trying to overheat that compressor right now. It's a 35.5. Wait. All right, let me go get a new cap. Common. Just loosen this up. I'll do a quick check on the pressures real quick. Nothing thorough. Just a quick check. 39. So we look good. Nothing crazy. Don't see nothing crazy, so we should be fine. Got a new filter and a new capacitor. Simple call. On to the next one. All right, guys, that was a simple one. It is 7:45. I gotta go to the gas station, boy. I tried to go to the restroom this morning. I couldn't go. I guess it was too early, but I gotta go now. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to head to the gas station real quick, and then go on to the next call. The bad thing about the next call, it's a little bit far out. About 37 minutes away from here. So sometimes, you know, it's not even the service calls that take long. Sometimes it's the drive time, but that's how it is. So let's get going. All right, folks, I just got here. It is 8:40. So trying to get the time for y'all. So it's 8:41. So we about to see what's going on with this one. Okay, guys, so this is the downstairs system. not downstairs, but the basement. Yeah, because one of these is the upstairs and one of these is the main level, and this is the basement. Basically, they said that they feel like they have been having to set it lower than usual for it to keep up. The thermostat was on 70 degrees and it did satisfy the 70, so I set it to about 67. But this thing just came on, so I'm gonna let this thing run for a minute. We'll get a better look at these that are superheat and subcool. Our pressures look okay. This is a 410 system, so yeah, subcool should be a little higher, but let's go get some readings. Alright guys, so this is what I got. Went ahead and checked the static pressure because I'm gonna double check the airflow, but I got the filter out. I'm gonna go ahead and get a new filter for him. With the filter out, it's at 0.6, so this thing is probably gonna be at 0.8, 0.9 with the filter. So I mean, ductwork isn't the best. Check that out. This is the Delta T, 20 degrees. 20-degree split, that's not bad. 50 out the supply, 71 out the return. It is pretty cold in there. It's a basement and it's at 70 degrees. This is still low. This is 9.8, subcool 1.5. So possible low on charge. Let me pull up this blower chart real quick. All right, so I went to go get a new filter that I'm about to put in. Just want to show y'all. They had this on here, so I'm about to put it back on. Just want to show y'all. Right now it's at 0.6. Trying to see how much it climbs up. And I already found the blower performance chart. 0.8. So this is the model number here. 2-ton. Motor speed tap 5 at 0.7. At 0.7 we're getting 925. So it's already on speed tap 5. So it's slightly over the 400 CFM. This thing goes all the way up to 0.7. We're at 0.8. So it's probably a little bit less than the 925. So I'm gonna leave it on that speed. It is on speed tap 5. Other than that, I mean, besides all this crazy stuff, I don't see, where is it, much wrong with the system. It's probably low on that charge. Subcool is still at 1.4. So don't see any oil stains. Just wanted to show y'all this. I got 87 on my wireless clamp, and I got 84 on the clamp, on the normal clamp. So I got a 4-degree subcool, but if I were to go by the 87, I would have that 1 degree that was showing earlier. So yeah, I gotta do something about this. Either way, I'm gonna add some 410A to it I'm gonna add some gas to it. All right, 10 ounces. This thing's at 12. It's probably at 10 because I have an issue with these. I gotta calibrate these. 12, low suction pressure. Well, not low, but you know, lower than usual, but that's because it's really cold down there. So even though it does have high static pressure, no airflow issue, it's just really cold, no real load in that coil. So hopefully this will help them out by adding those 10 ounces. Other than that, the system should be fine. She just said the complaint was that downstairs in the basement, usually they have to set it lower now. Usually they set it to like 73. Now they have to set it to 70. So I don't know if there's a leak or what. Y'all let me know. All right, guys, so we headed to the next one. About 18 minutes away from the next one, so we headed there now. It says I'm gonna get that 11:17. So this one is actually a service call. I thought it was a maintenance. It's a service call. So let's see what we get there. All right, so we here. It's 11:17. Just got here. How you doing?
How you doing?
Good.
How
So
you doing?
good. What's going on with the air conditioning?
It ain't working.
It ain't working.
And it hasn't been since March 25th.
They say that thing ain't no good. They put a new one in.
Okay. So that's a new system right there.
Yeah.
And they got you got your unit. Do you know if your unit?
They just had more old Freon or something, motor going or something. Like
Oh, this is a R32 system. Oh wow. So you said they put this in a month ago and it ain't working? That's crazy. Can I look at your indoor unit? Let me get my bag. So you telling me they just put it in and just left because they couldn't get it to work? I never
I was out here yesterday working on it.
I never heard of that.
Maybe they didn't know what they were doing. You thought about that?
Yeah, but if they got paid to put something in, did they try to come back out here?
I don't know if the same ones come back out or not.
Okay, somebody did come back out
Yeah, somebody came out yesterday.
and he couldn't figure it out. What is going on? Okay. View is good. This thing ain't got no light or nothing. Like if it don't got no power. It's crazy how they do this. Where's this switch at? Sound like the compressor ain't kicking on. This don't even got screws in it, bro. I swear, bro, some people just... They had this disconnect off for a reason. This is my first R32 unit. Turn this off, take this door off. Fortunately, this thing got a cage on it.
Maybe have a kink and line inside. I don't know. The guy sent the leak detector here and maybe freon leak here also.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to tell them that.
Check inside.
I did, I checked inside, but the switch was off when I got here. So the guy that came yesterday, he was from your company or no?
No.
No?
No.
Oh, okay. Yeah, man, I don't know.
It's okay. We can check.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I poked it and it had some in it. It just stinks real bad. Something's going on with that. That whoever did it didn't.
You check the compressor?
I did, yeah.
It's good?
Yeah, it's good. It ohms out good. I'll show you. So this is off. Let's see. This one. This one. This one. Yeah, man, I don't know. I don't have no high resistance or nothing, no kilo ohms or nothing like that. See, 1.3, then 3.2.
Better you put sound.
Put what? See, it's not nothing crazy. Yeah, you said the sound.
Yeah.
See, to ground. Nothing to ground. Nothing to ground. Nothing to ground.
Check.
See, it has this.
Crazy.
Yeah. So the resistance looked normal. So what do you think?
The connector is correct. You check if it,
I haven't even checked that.
yeah, and you check if it's correct. Maybe the guys put it wrong. I don't know. It's possible.
On a brand new install? Yeah.
Yeah. Let me-
Yeah, you can use it. If you want, we can take this off. We can take this one.
put this.
You want to take off?
I take off.
Yeah, we can take this off, and then it opens up.
Take off?
This one, see? It's easier. That way, we don't have to mess with this.
I like to take off.
Yeah, yeah, it's the same. Look, I'll show you. It's the same thing. If you take this off, easy.
Damn, super hot.
It's hot.
Yeah, super hot.
That's your common. Your black is common.
Yeah, that's correct.
Your start,
Yeah.
and your red is your run.
Yeah, yellow run and
It's hot. You said it's hot.
yeah.
Oh yeah, that's not the sun.
If you put the water,
But if it was open, I wouldn't get continuity. It wouldn't. You see what I mean? If it was, you see what I mean, right? If it was, I know you said put water to cool it down, but if it was open, I wouldn't. If it was too hot and open, this wouldn't give me a sound. You see what I mean?
yeah. But every time, when it's super hot,
You put water.
yeah.
Yeah, I do too. If it's not making contact. Well, okay. Yeah, that's a little weird. Yeah. I'm gonna head out on this one because. So you think that's what happened? You think it was a lot of a lot of dirt in that line set, maybe?
Maybe. But I don't know. The guy's saying that the video has a free on leak.
But that guy is not from your company?
No, your company, not my company. I don't know. It's the first time. Yesterday, another companies come for check. My company supposed to be my second opinion for today.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Man, I got other places I gotta go to. I should just. That's crazy. Yeah, if you look at this, it has pressure in there. Man, that refrigerant stinks though.
Yeah, it's bad. It's bad smell.
But I don't know if this is a. Nah, this can't be, because this is the new Freon. You know, the R32?
Yeah.
I don't know how that.
But if they're.
Damn, that stink.
If the compression is bad.
Okay, guys. So that other technician, he said he was sent here also. So I guess they coordinated the schedules incorrectly. But he thought that somebody changed this compressor because it was loose. I actually called Goodman. I don't know nothing about these R32 stuff, honestly. But this refrigerant stinks. It stinks bad, dude. Like, it stinks bad. Like, God, that thing stinks. It smells like, it just stinks. It smells like cinnamon and like a burning smell. So, anyways, they had sent him out and I'm out here too. I'm just gonna walk away from this one. It is what it is. I'm gonna get pictures. We're gonna head out